Today, we're diving into the Apple Pencil Pro and show you how to get the most out of the fantastic tool. Whether you're an artist, student, or just looking to enhance your productivity, this complete beginner's guide is just for you, so let's get started. First things first, unbox the Apple Pencil Pro. Inside the box, you'll find the Apple Pencil, a USB-C charging adapter, and some paperwork. It's sleek and lightweight, making it easy to carry around with your iPad. This pencil is compatible with various iPad models, so make sure your iPad supports the Apple Pencil Pro. Now let's talk about how to pair your Apple Pencil. Simply attach it to the magnetic connector on your iPad. A prompt will appear on your screen asking if you'd like to pair. Just tap pair and you're good to go. Now that you're connected, let's explore some key features of the Apple Pencil Pro. You can draw, sketch, take notes, and navigate your iPad with precision. It's pressure sensitive, so the harder you press, the thicker the line will be, giving you a natural drawing experience. Let's jump into the Notes app to see it in action. Open the app and create a new note. With the Apple Pencil, you can easily write or sketch. Use the different tools available at the bottom like the pen, pencil, or highlighter. You can also change colors and adjust the thickness. If you're into drawing apps like Procreate or Adobe Fresco, take full advantage of the Apple Pencil's capabilities. In Procreate, for example, you can create detailed artwork with layers, brushes, and textures. One of the coolest features of the Apple Pencil Pro is the ability to customize gestures. By double tapping the side of the pencil, you can switch between tools and supported apps. To customize this, go to Settings, Apple Pencil, and select your preferred options. Now let's talk about productivity. The Apple Pencil Pro is great for taking notes in apps like Notability or GoodNotes. You can highlight text, annotate PDFs, and create mind maps, making studying or organizing your thoughts much easier. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to keep your Apple Pencil Pro in a great shape. Make sure to charge it regularly, keep the tip clean, and use the included adapter to connect to your iPad when charging. And that's it for our complete beginner's guide on using the Apple Pencil Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.